In this video, we're going to talk about how to contact Schwab stock plan services. So the way to do this is over here in this website that I'm just showing you right now. So it's, as you can see, the official Schwab website. If I were to scroll down, you can see at the very bottom, it says, let's chat about how we can help. Call and then this number over here, or email this email over here if you want to talk with them and if you have any questions regarding these stock plan services, because as you can see, if I scroll up, this is the stock plan administration website of Schwab. So over here, this is the number you will have to call. If you want more detail, I opened another contact us site over here from Schwab as well, and as you can see, it says wherever you are, we're here to help. Schwab stock plan specialists are available Monday through Friday, 24 hours a day to answer your equity compensation questions. Now, as you can see, if you're in the US or Canada, you can call up this number over here. If you're in China, it's this one. For India, it's this one. For Israel, it's this one. Singapore, this one. And for UK, this one over here. You can also chat with a specialist if you log into your account, head to the Equity Awards tab, and select the chat icon to be connected directly to a stock plan services specialist. However, if your country is not listed above and you don't want to do it via this chat feature, but you would like to do it via the phone number, so via phone, you can find your country in the options below, which is down here, and then you can find the number there, or essentially call this number over here to be connected with a Schwab representative. So as you can see over here, Asia Pacific, it's got a bunch of different numbers over here. You've got all the European numbers over here in the list as well, so for most numbers. And then you have for North, Central, and South America as well. Over here you can see all the numbers. So if you want to get to this, you can get to this website over here by typing in this link, which is eac.schwab.com, and then contact us, okay? So you want to go like this, contact-us, and when you press enter, as you can see, there we go, you are essentially at their very website, and it's going to essentially show you all the phone numbers I just showed you in case you were unable to find one or to screenshot in time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.